Hey, what's going on, guys?
Hey, what's going on? Welcome to Slasher Tech, part two. Well,
No.
rather video two.
Yep.
So the other day we were flying our drone around, getting some sick footage that you guys just saw of that quad. But our drone just kept falling out of the sky. The flight controller just kept restarting mid-air, and it would just literally tumble out of the sky. The last time it fell, it totally ripped our GoPro off of the drone.
So today is basically us trying to figure out what the hell's going on. I ran some diagnostics on it the other day to figure out if it was an ESC issue, and that was definitely, it didn't seem to be it. We're going to test more today, but when I had replaced the ESCs previously, it was doing something very different. So you're going to see what happens, but basically what's happening currently is the drone's getting about 10 inches off the ground, and then it's falling out of the sky. It's hitting the field, if you will, or the ground under it, and then it reboots. So you're hearing the flight controller and the ESCs potentially all turning back on, which to me seemed like a connection issue, but all the connections
It also
are
definitely seems like maybe like a battery terminal issue or something. It just like
right.
resets mid-air and totally just falls out of the air. So here's some footage of it falling out of the air, and then hopefully we will get this diagnosed and back in the air for some more video footage for you guys.
Enjoy it.
This is part two of the drone falling out of the sky.
You already know, make sure that you check if it's an acro or horizon or angle mode.
Yeah, and definitely do not switch mid-air.
Definitely
Your
switch
drone
mid-air.
will fall out of the sky.
Definitely switch mid-air if you're not maxing it out.
Just don't listen to him. He's the one who dropped it out of the sky.
Hey, so did he, by the way, last battery.
Hey, it just cut. That was not on me.
Maybe it was you switching it to acro on accident on the remote.
Alright guys, so this is our problem we're experiencing with the drone. So as you can see, these lights are flashing. I know that this light under here is flashing because we don't have our receiver turned on, but this light over here is what's really giving us issues. So when this light is flashing, the receiver doesn't initialize. So right now I'm going to turn on the receiver. Alright, and as you can see, the green light turned off, and surprisingly the other light turned off, so maybe our issue is fixed. I know that red light would continue to blink sometimes, and the flight controller would never initialize that the receiver was even sending signals, so the motors would never spin, unless you had a USB plugged in, which I'm not sure why that would work, because it didn't even have to be connected to the computer, it just had to be plugged in. I did go ahead and reflash all of the software on the flight controller itself here, and I did back up our previous settings so nothing is ruined. So let's go ahead and put everything back together and see if we fixed our drone.
All right, guys, so after that reset, Quinn and I are now going to demonstrate if it works or not. We'll find out.
Yeah, hopefully it gets in the air and we can start flying around again and it doesn't just reset itself.
Lower. Keep it real low, Quinn. Keep it low, damn it. Like a foot off the ground, please. So it's flying. Oh! There. Here goes. So as you saw, so that was about 30 seconds of a video. I'd say, whoa, something broke. Yeah, nice. Is that the PL? That's the PLA arm, dude.
That's the PLA.
About time. So as you saw in that, video 2 is on the way. We're gonna continue it because this current video is definitely doesn't have a successful outcome. So hopefully the next video we can get this issue figured out, find out the solution, and then show you guys how to do it. And just a quick sneak peek for another future to soon be video, a real official drone build is coming. It's got some custom 3D printed parts as well, so might be something to look forward to if you guys want to learn a little bit about 3D printing in general and to get to see like the real deal almost. I just got a Rift 7 flight controller ready to go. I mean, it's exciting stuff, guys. So thanks again for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed our second video. We're trying, all right? We're learning. Give us a break for our first 100 videos, and after that, start harping.